Yo, imagine waking up one day and AI is running everything. No cap. We're already halfway there. But here's the real question. Are you going to be the one making bank from AI or just another NPC watching it happen? Stay locked in, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use AI to transform your business and get that bag. Oh, and 99% of people watching right now aren't even subscribed, bro. Like, for real? I spent my whole year editing this masterpiece. Hit that sub button now, or I'm telling your Wi-Fi to buffer every 5 seconds. Let's keep it a buck. AI isn't the future, it's the now. Companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Google are already using AI to make billions, while most people are still debating whether AI is good or bad. Bro, wake up. AI is a money machine, and if you don't adapt, you're going to get left behind like MySpace. Quick story. There was this small-time e-commerce seller. Dude was struggling to get sales. Then he used AI to automate customer service, write product descriptions, and even run ads. Boom. 6 months later, $300,000 in sales. That's what I call leveling up. You still watching? Good. Because it's about to get crazy. Bruh, I know you're loving this so far. Smash that sub button before I spill even more insane AI secrets. All right, check this out. AI is taking over 5 key areas in business, and if you master even one of these, you're golden. AI-powered marketing. No more guessing. AI knows what your customers want before they do. Ever get hit with an ad that felt like it read your mind? Yeah, that's AI. If you're not using it, you're just throwing money into the void. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Companies are replacing entire customer service teams with AI. That's low-key scary, but also a massive money saver for businesses. Get in on it before it's too late. AI and content creation. Bro, AI is writing books, making music, and even designing websites. You don't need a degree anymore. You need a strategy. AI in finance, from predicting stock market trends to automated trading bots making money while you sleep. AI is a game changer. And yes, people are already rich off this. AI in e-commerce. Imagine an online store that updates its prices and stock levels automatically based on customer demand. That's not a dream. It's happening right now. Bro, are you getting this? This is like finding the cheat codes for making money, and yet 99% of people will still sleep on this. Don't be that guy. I know you're vibing with this info. Tap that sub button now, or I'm hacking your Netflix and setting it to only show Teletubbies. All right, enough talk. You want to make money with AI? Here's exactly what you need to do. Pick your AI weapon. Whether it's ChatGPT, Midjourney, or automation tools, find one that fits your business goals. Automate everything you can. AI can handle emails, customer service, marketing, literally anything that wastes your time. Sell AI services. If you're not using AI to start a business, sell AI to businesses that don't know how to use it. Easy money, invest in AI stocks. Companies pushing AI tech are going to explode in value. Get in early. Use AI for content creation. People are making 6 figures using AI to write blogs, make YouTube videos like this one, and even design logos. No excuses. You're still here? That means you're built different. But the real question is, will you actually use this info, or will you be watching another random cat video in 10 minutes? If you're still watching, you're part of the 1% who actually take action. Subscribe now, or I swear, your next AI-generated meme is going to be trash. Listen, AI isn't coming for your job. AI is coming for the jobs of people who don't adapt. If you don't start leveraging AI in your business, you're going to wake up one day wondering why your competition is light years ahead of you. Bro, I'm telling you, the game is changing. Either you ride the AI wave to success, or you get wiped out by it. No in between. Last chance. Subscribe now. I just dropped more free game than most business gurus charge for. Don't be that guy who watches and does nothing. Hit that button, and I'll see you in the next one.